Good morning, it's Edna Keep here live with Mindset Monday, and today our topic is your point of focus determines your point of attraction. So if you're not getting the results you want in building your real estate portfolio, whether that's finding the properties or understanding how to analyze them or attracting investors to your deal, reach out and book a strategy call with me. I'm able to help a lot of people through this transition to build real estate wealth and to get some rental properties under your name. So I love to help, and it's the best way to do it. And I've left the booking in the comment section, so you'll be able to see it. So what you focus on expands, and we all know that. But you know, when we're born, we don't get an owner's manual that comes with our brain. Most people don't know how to work their brain appropriately. And it seems like willy-nilly, our minds are all over the place. And when we try to concentrate on stuff, it gets difficult, or it seems difficult, or it seems like it's not working. Well, I'm going to give you a few owner's manual pointers this morning, because if you can learn to take control and focus on what you want, you're going to get it. There's just no doubt in my mind that you're going to get it. The thing is, you've got to focus properly. You don't want to focus on the lack. So for example, if you lack money or you lack buildings, or you're not getting any leads for buildings, and that's all you think about and talk about, that's all you're going to get more of. So many people live in reality. I'm not getting this. Well, that's just the truth. But the more that you say that and the more that you focus on that, the more that you get of that. So you have to start creating your own reality. That's how our minds are designed to work. And once you get a handle on that and can figure out how to focus properly, that's when it'll start coming for you. So if you focus on what you want, that's the key. And the other key is knowing what you want. So many people I run across, and they don't even really know what they want. Oh, they'd kind of like to have more money. They'd kind of like to have a building. They'd kind of like to maybe use investor capital. But you got to be focused. You got to be clear. Because if you're just kind of half-assed, well, you're going to get half-assed results. So start taking the time to really write out, think about what it is you really want. Think of it as putting a clear mental picture out there for the universe, so that the universe has help or can help you reach your goals. Many people focus on what they don't want instead of what they do want, and it's kind of human nature. We're not born to just know what to do with our minds. You have to study it. You have to get better at it. You have to figure it out. And the biggest way to do it is repetition, over and over and over again, saying what you want. Tell anybody who'll listen, or not. Tell your own self is the biggest thing. You want to make sure that you start living in the way that you dream of living before you're actually there. And it seems like it's counterproductive, I guess, because a lot of people say, well, how can I, say I have a building when I don't? Well, start walking through a building in your mind. Like walk in and collect rents in your mind, because it's in your mind that you start creating that reality before it comes to fruition in reality. So it kind of seems counterproductive sometimes. But if you need my help figuring out some of these strategies and tactics to work on that sort of thing, reach out to me and let's have a discussion. Have a really, really good week, and we'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now.